If you're trying to decide between the Garmin GPSMAP 65 and the 65s, here's the simple, real-world breakdown after using both. On paper, they're almost the same device. Both use Garmin's multiband GNSS, so you're getting seriously accurate positioning, even under thick tree cover or between rocky terrain. You also get the same rugged build, button controls, a 2.6-inch sunlight-readable screen, and about 16 hours of battery life on AA batteries. Where things start to matter is the sensors. The 65s is the one I'd call the proper hiking option. It adds a 3-axis compass, so your map stays oriented even when you're standing still, and a barometric altimeter for much more accurate elevation tracking. That's a big deal in the mountains. The standard 65 skips those and relies more on GPS movement for direction and elevation. So here's the bottom line. If you're sticking to marked trails, the 65 is enough. But if you're going off-grid or into serious elevation changes, the 65s is absolutely worth it.